Hello amazing people, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn ordinary Nescafe into a beautiful foamy anti-aging bathing soap that gently exfoliates, removes dead skin and brightening your complexion, all with simple ingredients you can find at home. Stay tuned till the end because I will review the exact step-by-step process that makes this soap both powerful and profitable. Grab your jotter and pen and let's get started. Here is all our ingredients. We have Nescafe, we have tallow, shea butter, coconut oil all mixed together. We have our lye solution. We have the stuffed Nescafe, castor oil. Don't forget to get your mold prepared, then your mixing bowl and your stirring stick or spatula. The first thing that goes into my mixing bowl is my mix oil. Altogether is 250 ml of mix oil. Put your eye on the screen and you will see each oil and the quantity of the oil. And the next I'm adding into the oil is lye solution. Lye solution, I use 37.5 grams of caustic soda mixed in 150 ml of clean water. I added my lye solution into my oil, then I stir it together. If you don't have all the oil listed on the screen, you can make use of any oil that is available for you. You can use your PKO, you can use your red palm oil, any oil that is good for soap making, especially for bathing soap. So I continue stirring my oil and my lye solution until it gets to a trace level. Here is my already mixed Nescafe. I mix 15 grams of Nescafe into 30 grams of warm water and I set it aside. Continue mixing until oil and lye solution can no longer separate. That is when we get to a trace level. Remember, when you stir your soap together very well, it helps the foaming ability of your soap. We can now add the next ingredient. The next ingredient I'm adding is my castor oil. Castor oil, I added like 1.5 to 2 ml of castor oil. Castor oil helps your soap to foam richly, stay creamy, and nourish the skin. Then I stir it together in order for it to mix with the batter. Then the next ingredient I'm adding is tea tree. Tea tree oil is most powerful and beneficial oil you can add to bathing soap, both for skin treatment and soap quality. Tea tree oil helps kill bacteria, fungi and germs. It's so perfect for acne and skin irritations. Added my tea tree oil and I stir it together. The next I'm adding is my Nescafe. Remember, I've already dissolved my 15 grams of Nescafe into 30 grams of warm water. I added 1 spoon, then I stir it together. Nescafe or coffee is rich in antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals, slowing down signs of aging such as wrinkles and dullness. It also gives the skin a healthy glow when used it regularly. Nescafe has a rich brown color to soap naturally without need for synthetic dye. And I added another spoon of Nescafe, making it 2 spoons of Nescafe into the soap batter. As I added it to it, I continue stirring it. You can see the lovely brown color that it brought out. It's so lovely. And I continue stirring it. You make sure you stir it together very well so that all the color will blend well with the batter. Nescafe in bathing soap also removes dead skin cells, brighten dull skins, leave the skin smoother and softer. You can now see the reason why you need to add Nescafe into your bathing soap. It's rich, is an antiseptic, antibacterial. It has so many effects on bathing soap. After all the ingredient is well combined, then I get my prepared mold and I pour my butter into the mold. You can see how beautiful and glowing our butter looks. And the amazing part of it is you can do it for sales. It's profitable. Just make sure you get the available oil, then mix it together, add your Nescafe to it. Honestly, you are good to go. I believe you will practice it. Try and do it yourself today. You can get all the ingredients where they are selling soaps ingredients. The castor oil, the tea tree oil. In short, every types of oil that we use in today's production is available where they are selling soap ingredients. After adding your butter into the mold, then you allow it to set for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you unmold your soap. After unmolding it, allow it to cure for 2 to 3 weeks. This is semi-hot process. Semi-hot process. Make sure your oil is warm and your lye solution is also warm. Make sure oil and lye solution are of the same temperature. Then I believe your whole soap will come out exactly like this. 24 hours later, unmold your soap, allow it to cure 2-3 weeks, then you are ready to go. Your soap is ready for use. And I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, kindly like, comment and share this video. And for those of you that are coming back, my return subscribers, I want to appreciate you for always coming back to watch my videos. Also, we have profitable bath soap ebook for sales. You can DM me or just come to my WhatsApp and message me if you need one. This will guide you to advanced level and also is good for beginners. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.